Hello, I'm Dr. Pallavika Mondal. I'm a surgical oncologist. I'm associated with Peerless Hospital. Today, in view of International Women Day, we'll talk about health of women and how it should be the forefront of our society. 8th of March is celebrated as International Women's Day, and the theme this year is Give to Gain. It talks about contribution from level of the government, the institutes, and at the level of individuals to increase women's footing in society and to bring about equality in our society. Considering I'm a surgical oncologist, I will mostly be talking about the cancers that affect women and how awareness and screening can help us diagnose these cancers early, and how early diagnosis can actually lead to a better outcome in the long run. We all know that this year the government of India has launched a very significant step towards health of women overall by making HPV vaccination free in all government hospital and primary healthcare centers. This is a significant step towards reducing cervical cancer incidence in our country. Apart from that, screening for all the common cancers for women is very important in our country. So the most important cancer that I would like to talk about is breast cancer. The best way to screen breast cancer is something called a clinical breast examination, which means that the patient goes to their nearest doctor, gets their breast examined in case of any abnormal lumps or in any abnormal discharge. This can be augmented with a mammogram or ultrasound if the clinician sees fit. Early diagnosis of breast cancer means that the patient can save their breast, the total breast will not be removed, and long-term survival is very good. The second cancer which is in the screening protocol is cervical cancer. Mostly an HPV DNA test of the cervix or pap smear is usually recommended about from 30 to 35 years of age. This will help us detect early cancer, and early cancer, as we all know, is very easily treatable. The other important cancer that is seen more commonly in women is oral malignancy, which means ulcers in the mouth and tongue. Again, these can be simply detected by a oral examination by a clinician who might be a dentist or a ENT surgeon or a oncologist. Lastly, I want to talk about a cancer which is very common in east of India. However, there are no set protocols that are available in our country, which is a colon malignancy. It is mostly seen in women above the age of 45, usually in women who probably has long-standing constipation and or has bleeding in stool. This can be very easily detected with something called the occult blood test, which is a stool examination and or with colonoscopy of some form. To get to know more about screening and to prevent cancers, you should visit your oncologist to get detailed protocol as to how to go about screening so that we can prevent and cure cancer at the earliest.